Right. I repeat the question. My f of x is mod x by x if x is not equal to 0, and f of x is 0 if x is equal to 0. But there is a mod x here. Mod x is defined like this. Mod x equal to x if x is positive, mod x equal to minus x if x is negative, and the mod x equal to 0 if x equal to 0. But the function is not mere mod x. Function is mod x by x. Therefore, when x is positive, f of x is mod x is x by x, that's 1. X is negative, f of x is mod x by x, that's called minus x by x, that is called minus 1. X equal to 0, f of 0 is equal to 0 by x. X equal to 0. 0, right? Now, what you conclude, my here? This is the left hand limit, right hand limit, left hand limit. They both are not equal. Hence, limit does not exist, as well as continuity. No continuity at x equal to 0, my dear. So, function is not continuous at. Is it clear, ma, sir? Why didn't you write the limit? Limit okay, it's not a difficult thing, ma. Now x is more than 0 means what? I have to write this one. So can I write, ma? Please. Limit x tends to 0 plus f of x. There is nothing but limit x tends to 0 plus what is f of x, ma? 0 plus ma? X by x. That is one irrelevant of this one. It's irrelevant, okay? Limit x tends to 0 minus f of x. 0 minus sama, it's a minus x by x. That's called minus 1. In the two equal, third one, so 1 is not equal to minus 1. Hence, function is not continuous at x equal to 0. Yes, at x equal to 0. Formula, please. Are you able to follow? Are you all able to follow, pa?
Yes, sir.
Right. Avantika, Harini, Madheshwar, good. Madheshwar, excellent. Akshaya, Hari Krishna, good. Amati, Srihari, okay. Parma, just take it. Overpass a bit.
Completed, sir.
Okay. Right. Look at, we have done question number 8. 9 is also same model. 9 is same model. X is less than 0 and x is greater than or equal to. So 9th will be continuous at x equal to 0 per month. You try pannunga. 9th one, same type, but there is a function and the x is less than 0 and x is more than or equal to 0. More than or equal to 0 means what? At x equal to 0 and x is 0 plus. Rendukku vandu minus 1 value kuduthirukanga. Namma x 0 minus vandu it will come minus 1 years. Therefore, all are minus 1 x at x equal to 0. the function is continuous ன்னு நம்ம தாராளமா சொல்லலாம். ஓகேவா? Right. So 8, 9, 7, 8, 9 is done. Now 10, 11, 12 mark. 10, 11, 12. எந்த question வேணும்ப்பா please? 10, 11, 12. Which one do you want, ma? 12th one. F of x equal to x power 10 minus 1 by அவ்வளவுதான். If x is more than or equal to 1, less than or equal to 1, and x square, if x is more than 1, so you have to find the points of discontinuity, please. So he is only we can discuss only at one DS. Okay, discuss at only one. One is the point of intrigueness. Okay, friends, here now we are talking about one anna, so we need to write that formula for continuity is limit x tends to 0 minus f of x. What is the function here for 0 minus? Madheshwar, what is the function for 0 minus for? Please tell me. 1 minus, sorry, 1 minus. I'm sorry, 1 minus. We are discussing at one part. So it is a 1 minus. 1 minus on the enna function for Madheshwar?
Sir, x power 10 minus 1.
Brilliant, sir. Brilliant. X power 10 minus 1. So I write it properly. Limit x tends to 1 minus x power 10 minus 1 power. Okay, fantastic. Now, when you put x tends to 1 here, what will happen, please? Put x equal to 1 here, because limit x tends to 1 here, that means so x is approaching 1. So if the 1 minus 1 is what, 0. Again, in a limit, did I write the question correctly, right? Yeah, correct. Next is limit x tends to 1 plus 1 plus f of x. What is the function part? What is the function at 1 plus ds? Anybody?
X square, sir.
X square. Brilliant. Limit x tends to 1 plus x square. Now put x equal to 1 in the function. It becomes 1 square. This is called 1 This is called 1 minus 1 is 0 ds. This is 1 mark. So you can conclusively tell that at x equal to 1, the function is not continuous. Yes or no? There is no need for third one. Okay, third one also x equal to 1, it is 0 mark. Please. What is that? F of 1, right? F of 1. That we need not do it. Already these two are not equal. Hence, continuity failed mark. Is it simple or difficult mark? Continuity is simple or not? So next one, the 13, 14, 15, 16 mark, please come on. What an interesting questions. 14, 15, 16, or question select pannupa, please. Any one of you please select one question. யாருப்பா எல்லாம் சைலண்டா இருக்காங்க என்ன விஷயம்ப்பா ப்ளீஸ் டெல் மீ 14 15 16 yes any which question you want discuss the continuity of a function f where f is defined by discuss the continuity of the functions please f of x equal to 3 f of x equal to 4 and 5 0 less than x and less than equal to 1, 0 to 1, between 1 and 3, and this is 3 to 10 mark. Please. The inclusive of this x belongs to 0 to 1. My interval 0 to 1. This is x belongs to 1 to 3. This is exclusive. X belongs to 3 to 10. This is inclusive. Please, I hope we are able to follow this, right? All of you able to follow? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Nice. Please interact me so that I can go further. இல்லைன்னா எனக்கு என்னமோ நான் டீச் பண்றது உங்களுக்கு புரியலன்றது எனக்கு புரியுது. So please, just one of you open your mic and one of you keep always open your mic and you can always interact. One of you, please. Because you are representing all of us. Okay, please have understanding. Somebody, if it's not clear, one of you can whoever is not clear, please veto it. Okay, no problem. Okay? Arma, am I doing sluggishly or what? Any variety you want? Okay. Anyway, so friends, here, how many points are there, my dear? There is a 0, there is a 1, there is a 3, there is a 10 now. Friends, there is a 0 here. 0 is included. Anyway, we can discuss at 0 also, we can discuss at 10 also, but there is one rule for discussing. And suppose if I am discussing continuity at points 3 and 10, 3 of course is common, 3 is common here, 1 is common here. The issue comes for only 0 and 10 now. The total interval is 0 and 10 years. Yes or no? Starting 0, ending with 10 marks. Friends, please listen. From 0 to 10, at any point you want to discuss, between 0 to 10, if you want to discuss the continuity. Friends, between 0 to 10, between 0 to 10, at any point, if you want to discuss continuity, we should take limit. Suppose 2 is there now. Limit just now solve example solve. Now, 2, 3, okay, x tends to 2 minus f of x. Limit x tends to 2 plus f of x and f of 2. This is a useful thing when it is in the interval. When it is in the interval, my dear, suppose these are the extremes. 0 is the extreme and 10 is the extreme part. Dears, 0 left side 0 0 minus dears. Suppose if I want to discuss at 0, x equal to 0, if I want to discuss the continuity at x equal to 0, limit x tends to 0 plus f of x and f of 0. In the can anybody tell why? Why 0 minus is not coming, dears? 0 minus less than 0, it is not in the interval, dears. That is the limitation of the interval. Therefore, at the extremes, if you want to find out the continuity, you need not worry here. You should exclude 0 minus, because 0 minus less than 0 is not the interval. Similarly, at x equal to 10, at x equal to 10, we are discussing about the extremes, my dears. At x equal to 10, 10 is there, 10 minus is available, but 10 plus is not there. Therefore, limit x tends to 10 minus f of x plus f of equal to f of. In the equal action, you could say that function is continuous at x equal to 10. My x is 10 plus there illa. 10 plus is not in the interval. That is only that concession is given for extremes of the interval. Na solradhu puriyudha, please? All of you understood? whether it is 2a, say yes or no, ma, please.
Yes, sir.
Either 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 or 7, na, all the 3 are required, yes. When we discuss at the extremes, 0 and 10, you need to be cautious about it. If 0, 0 plus because 0 minus under the outside the interval, therefore you cannot take 0 minus yes. And similarly, at 10, if you want to discuss 10 plus 10 plus goes outside the interval, therefore 10 minus and 10 is there in the interval. Therefore, this is what is required for continuity. These are the for extreme cases, this one. For middle cases, this one. Note down this, yes. In the interval, if you want to discuss the continuity at the extremes of the interval, you don't require 3 parameters. You don't require 3 components. 2 is enough. Because 3 are not available. Please understand this. Is it clear, Pa?
Yes, sir.
Right. Suppose if I say interval A, B, I want to discuss the continuity at A and B. What do you say, Harini? Tell me. Harini?
Sir.
Yes. Tell me. How do you say the continuity, ma'am? At x equal to A, how do you discuss the continuity of a function here? Limit x tends to A plus Avantika. Tell me at B here. Tell me at
Limit
B.
s tends to b minus f of s equal to f of b.
Brilliant, brilliant. That's all. Fantastic, yes, fantastic. Yeah, I hope it is clear. Now, if one student tells I will have my BP is lower, okay, great, thank you very much. Suppose C belongs to AB, C belongs to AB. How do you discuss at C now? C minus C plus at C. Hope it's clear. Right. Friends, now let us take first 0. 0 is the extreme. See, total interval is 0 to 10. We discussed earlier. At 0 0 and 0 plus also, right? This is nothing but what, yes, x0 is less than or equal to x1. X is more than or equal to 0. Am I right, ma, please? Yeah. So 0
Yes, sir.
plus 0 minus 1. So at x equal to 0, limit x tends to 0 plus and f of 0, right? F of x formula. This is the definition of continuity at x equal to 0, because 0 being the extreme ds. Okay. What is f of x? Tell me. X is greater than or equal to 0. 0 plus and 0. For both of them, the function is what, please? For 0 plus 3. F of 0 is 3. F of 0, x equal to 0. X equal to 0. Answer is 3. Limit x tends to 0 plus f of x. X is more than 0. So that is also 3. 3 equal to 3. Hence it is continuous at x equal to 0. Formula, please. Next, at x equal to 10 for that 10. Okay, once for all, the 10 is also included at the extreme end. 10 plus Mamati, tell me the continuity or definition, please. Continue to a formula here. At x equal to 10.
Limitation of x.
Limit,
Sir, shall
limit, yeah, limit x tends to
10 minus, sir.
brilliant, sir.
F of
F of-
x equal to f of 10, sir.
Wait. Okay. What is f of 10? Okay. What is f of 10, please? Anybody? Akshaya. What is f of 10, dear?
5, sir.
Great, sir. What about the function for x is 10 minus mark? X is less than 10. That also 5 mark. Therefore, the function is continuous at x equal to 10 mark. Okay. Now, at x equal to 1, come on. 1 under the interval, please understand this. Therefore, how do you define, how do you give a definition for continuity of a function, please? Consider a function. Hare Krishna. At x equal to 1,
Yes, sir.
how do you? Yes, ma, tell me dear.
Limit x extends to 1 plus f of x is equal to limit x extends to 1 minus f of x is equal to f of 1.
Very good. F of x and f of 1 here. Okay. What is f of 1, ma, please?
3, sir.
Brilliant. 3. F of 1 equal to 3, x equal to 1. The answer is 3. Function will take 1. F of 1 is 3. Wonderful, wonderful. 1 minus, ma. 1 minus.
3, sir.
3, sir.
Where is 1 minus, sir? X is less than 1. 1 minus means what here? X is less than 1. 3. 1 plus, what is the answer, ma? 1 plus
4.
4. Brilliant. 1 is less than x. X is more than 1. More than 1 means what? 1 plus 4. 4 is not equal to 3. 3 is, of course, all the 3 are not equal. At x equal to 1, not continuous. Please. Forward, please. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Last one, please. Last one. At x equal to 3, dear. One of you, please tell me, dears. At x equal to 3. At x equal to 3. First definition, Sulma, please. The limit order. 3. Limit extends to. Akshaya, tell me.
4, sir.
Illama, full Sulma. First, you tell the mathematical definition of continuity, ma, please. In the morning. What is f of 3, Akshaya? Tell me.
4, sir.
Illama, 4 எப்படிமா? X is less than 3 dear. Equal to 3 இங்க இருக்க பாருங்க. இங்க இருக்க பாருமா. 3 is equal to x ma. இது பாருங்க. So f of 3 equal to what dear? 5. 3 minus என்னப்பா? What is 3 minus?
4, sir.
Correct.
4.
3 minus 4. 4 is not equal to 5. Hence at x equal to 3. It is not continuous. Aha, wow, how beautiful it is. பாருங்க, புரியுதா? சொல்றது புரியுதாப்பா? At 3 plus. 3 plus இங்க வரும்பா. 3 plus. X is less than 3 and 3 minus. 3 is less than or equal to x and x is more than or equal to 3 ma. More than 3 and 3 plus ds. 3 plus 5 வரும்பா. 5 not equal to 4. 4 is not equal to 5 ma. So, one not equal to போதுமா, please. Okay, all the three must be equal years. Therefore, not continuous at x equal to 3, at x equal to 1, but continuous at x equal to 10 and at x equal to 0 years. For 0 it is only at extremes. It is continuous, ma. Please, it is continuous, yes, please. You can draw the figure also, ma. See, ma, if we are real good students, we would like to draw the graph for maximum number of functions. If not, also you please see the app. App GeoGebra app நீங்க பாருங்க please. அந்த app எந்த மாதிரி நீங்க function கொடுத்தாலும் you get a graph, please. You get a graph. நோட் பண்ணிக்கோங்க please. தயவுசெய்து நோட் பண்ணுங்க. Over, ma?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Right.
sir.
No, am I making clear, pa? Everybody is getting clear? That's good. Fantastic. Very nice. I like you all. 14, 15, 16 is done. நீங்க பண்ணலாமா 14, 15, 16 நான் 14 பண்ணிட்டா நீங்க 15 and 16 பண்ணுங்க. Okay, 17th one பார்க்கலாமா? It's an amazing one. 17th one. Find the relationship between a and b so that the function f defined by. Find the relation between a and b now. Find the relation between a and b so that the function f defined by f of x equals to ax plus 1 bx plus 3 x is less than or equal to 3 and x is more than 3 by different. Okay, right. Is continuous at x equal to 3. Is continuous. The function is continuous at x equal to 3 years. Try பண்ணுங்க பார்க்கலாம். Let us see. Relation between a and b. The function is given like this: ax plus 1 if x is less than or equal to 3, x is more than 3. This one is continuous at. He has given that function is continuous at x equal to 3. Function is continuous at x equal to 3 and சொல்லிருக்காங்க. That means what? Given what? Limit x tends to 3 plus f of x is equal to limit x tends to 3 minus f of x. That is the f of 3 ds. This is what is given on the. He has ensured that the function is continuous. Meaning if a and b நடுவுல வந்து relation. What do you mean by relation a and b? A equal to 2b or a equal to b plus 3. No relation. Some relation between a and b. That's called linear relation. Okay. Anyway, okay. That's we'll see that how we get. Friends, here 3 plus a function என்னமா actually tell me? Akshaya, 3 plus a what is the function dear? Please.
Vx plus 3, sir.
Brilliant, sir. Bx plus 3. Excellent, ma. Limit extends to 3 plus Bx plus 3. Excellent, ma. Very good. Hare Krishna, Madheshwar, sorry, Madheshwar. Limit extends to 3 minus f of x. What is f of x here? 3 minus?
Sir, ax plus 1.
Great, sir. And what is f of 3, ma?
Ax plus 1, sir.
Great, sir. Brilliant. Array at x equal to 3 also same ax plus 1. Mana, இது பண்ண தேவையில்லை. இந்த ரெண்டு ஒரே ஃபங்க்ஷனா இருக்கிறதுனால third one பண்ண தேவையில்லைமா. X is less than 3. 3 minus and 3 both are having same function ax plus 1. அதனால 3 and 3 minus 1 வந்து ஏதோ ஒன்னு பண்ணா போதும். Please. Physical number is going to be same ds. Put x equal to 3 in this. You get b into 3 plus 3 ma. That's called 3b plus 3 ds. Here we put x equal to 3 ma. 3a plus 1. 3a plus 1 ds. 3a plus 1. Paranga, I'll just repeat பண்றது. This is called 3b plus 3 equal to 3a plus 1. எல்லாமே ஒரு சைடு கொண்டு வாங்க. 3b minus 3a equal to minus 2. Divide with 3 ma, you get a beautiful thing. Minus 2 by 3 pa. This is your relation between b and a ds. Is it clear, ma?
Yes, sir.
Right. Ah. Okay, over. Is it over? Let us take one different model, one more model which is little different from this regular ones. Okay? Let us look at question number 23. And 19, 20, 21, 22, இதெல்லாம் first type அதை நான் discuss பண்றேன் இன்னொரு வாட்டி. 19 இருந்தா அது theoretical இருக்கும். I will tell you that, not an issue at all. Every sum we will do it, please. Don't worry. Each and every sum we will discuss. Okay. 23 ds, 23. All of you take question number 23. Look at question number 23. It's a different kind of question. We have used some beautiful input. Find all points of discontinuity. Find all points of discontinuity of f where f of x is sin x by x if x is more than 0, less than 0, sorry, and if x is more than or equal to 0, it is x plus 1. So, where we can discuss the continuity, please. Continuity or discontinuity, please. Where, which point we can discuss this? Mamati. where
Sir,
we can
it's
discuss,
0, sir.
yeah, at x equal to 0. At x equal to 0 alone, we can discuss the point of, discontinuity, point of discontinuity. Whether continuous or discontinuous, நம்ம பார்க்கணும். Okay? Please, நான் இப்போ தேவையான input என்னன்னா limit x tends to 0, formula is limit x tends to 0, sin x by x is equal to what? Yes, 1. பாருங்க, is equal to 1. Did I tell you this formula, dears? So this is the input required for it. So once again, let us discuss first x is less than 0. Now limit x tends to 0 minus f of x. That is limit x tends to 0 minus sin x by x. So whether the 0 minus or 0 plus, it is tending to 0, dears. Therefore, it is equal to 1 now, please. It's equal to 1. Formula, please. Okay? Limit x tends to 0 plus f of x. What is the function for 0 plus? Hari? Zero plus function upper, please. Harini?
Sir, x plus 1, sir.
X plus 1, sir. Very good. Limit x tends to 0 plus, right? 0 plus. Function is here x plus 1, yes. And we need not do the third one. Why? Because for x equal to 0, f of 0 and f of 0 and 0 plus 1 is the same function. Third one we need not do, please. So what is the answer? Put x equal to 0 here, 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. So 1 equal to 1 equal to 1. Third one, f of 0 is also 1, same function. That's why I am not taking third one now. Third one is also equal to second one now. Therefore, it is continuous at x equal to 0. Find all points of discontinuity. There is no point of discontinuity in Solana. There is no point of discontinuity. $23 5. Next one we go for 25 or 26 mark. 25 or 26. Over.
Yes, sir.
Question number 26 பார்க்கலாம்ப்பா. Question number 26, 27, 28, 29, 30 mark. இந்த 4 question பார்த்துட்டு then 31 to 34 and gaps இருக்கு இல்லையா, அந்த gaps எல்லாம் நாளைக்கு பார்க்கலாம். So tomorrow we can say goodbye to this 5.1. Okay, such a brilliant one, very notorious one, but now it has become very, very simple for us. Tomorrow you will find out that no question is difficult in this another நீங்களே சொல்ல போறீங்க. Okay, right. So look at question number 26, ma, please. Whatever gaps I left, சின்ன gaps நீங்க the bulk விட்டுறது வந்து நீங்க you please leave it. Tomorrow we will do it. But அங்கங்க wherever I left the gaps, okay, அந்த gaps நீங்க please complete it. 26th one, f of x is k cos x by pi minus 2x. K cos x by pi minus 2x. If x is not equal to pi by 2, if x is not equal to pi by 2. 3, if x is equal to pi by 2. Friends, discuss the continuity, find the value of k, if f of x is continuous at x equal to pi by 2 now. At x equal to pi by 2, he said that function is continuous, yes. If so, find k. Find k. Very simple. That means he has already given that at x equal to pi by 2, this is the function. That is called f of pi by 2. And x is not pi by 2, it's a pi by 2 plus and pi by 2 minus the same function written on one of them you take it, my dears. Which one you take, my either plus or minus, one of them you tell it. X tends to pi by 2 plus or minus, both are having the same function, my dears. F of x. What is the function, dears? X is pi by 2 plus and is pi by 2 ma. Pi by 2 plus and pi by 2 minus, the function is same, dears. Limit. What is f of pi by 2, dears?
3, sir.
Plus. 3. People are sleeping in the class. Right. Avantika, what are you doing? Right. Limit.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, where are you? Why are you not answering me? Pi by 2 plus. What is f of x, dears, for this? Pi by 2 plus 1, f of x.
Pi minus 2x.
Once again.
3, sir.
Hey, pi by 2 plus ke 3 ma. 3, pi by 2 only 3.
Sir, k cos x by pi minus 2x.
Excellent. K cos x by pi minus 2x ma. This ma. Wonderful ma. Wonderful ma. Wonderful. Eppadi pandradhu ma idu? This is a terrific one, yes. Terrific one. Friends, whenever trigonometric ratio comes ma, you have only option left with us is that limit x tends to 0 plus 0 or 0 minus whatever. Sin x by x என்றது நமக்கு ஒரே ஒரு ஃபார்முலா இருக்குது. Okay? Sin x by x மா. பட் இங்க sin x இல்ல. Right? Friends, cos x can be நமக்கு வந்து sin தான் தேவை மட்டும். நியூமரேட்டர்ல வந்து sin இருந்தா டினாமினேட்டர்ல வந்து x இருக்கப்பா. ஒருவேளை நியூமரேட்டர்ல வந்து pi by 2 minus x இருந்தா டினாமினேட்டர் also it should be pi by 2 minus x நாங்க x னா x அவ்வளவுதான். இங்க y னா y. This is what I require my dear. இப்ப sin இல்லங்க cos வந்து what is cos x my dear? Cos x can be written as sin pi by 2 minus x. Yes or no, yes? All of you agree, ma? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Take 2 common here, we get a pi by 2 minus x part is over. Limit x tends to pi by 2, my dears, pi by 2 plus or minus whatever. Please. இப்ப பாருமா இங்க பாருமா. இதுல k by 2 என்றது கான்ஸ்டன்ட் மா. அது நீங்க லிமிட் வந்து வெளிய கொண்டு வரலாமா? Because it is a constant, my dears. Constant is not influenced by the limit. What is going to happen with x? X tends to pi by 2, whatever it is, x க்கு எது நடந்தாலும் நம்ம k by 2 is not getting affected. Now, can I write this is limit x tends to pi by 2 plus, doesn't matter, sin pi by 2 minus x by pi by 2 minus x. By the x in set பண்ணுவாங்க, pi by 2 minus x tends to what? 0. Therefore, k by 2 limit pi by 2 minus x tends to 0. So same sin of pi by 2 minus x by pi by 2 minus x. Parma, please. So it's k by 2. What is this one is called? 1. And what is this answer is equal to what? 3. So k by 2 equal to 3. K equal to 3 into 2. That is called k is 6 ds. That's all. Such a beautiful one for you.
Sir, for limit x tends to 0 of cos x, what is that, sir? 0 or 1, sir?
Oh, okay. Limit x tends to 0 of cos x equal to 1. That's all. Cos 0 is 1. That's it. Cos 0 is 1. Where limit x tends to 0, sin x equal to what? 0. That's a bit. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Just substitute x equal to 0, cos 0 is 1. Put x equal to 0 here, 0. But here if you substitute, you get 0 by 0. That's the indeterminate form. Indeterminate form one limit will come into force now, please. Right. We have to follow some theorems and formulae. Right. All right. Write down, please. Write down. Okay, bye. Enough for now. Thank you very much. I think we have done most of the good questions. Okay. So if enna pannunga, please do the homework, ma. Do the homework. Though I have done it, you please redo it. Not only whatever I did it, I'll tell you from where to where. Look at my homework is from question number 5 to 13 mark. Not only 13. Five to 13, yeah. Not only 5 to 13 mark, 5 to 18 years, 5 to 18 mark. Then 23 to 30 mark. This is your homework, yes. No hurry, whatever is possible, you do it and submit in the classroom. Okay, classroom, I will just ask you to do it in the classroom itself, you submit. WhatsApp is okay, but we want it should be done in the classroom. Try to post it in the classroom. Any difficulty, you can overcome that. Okay, if you start working, if you used to that, you will get it. Okay, so kindly submit the homework for this question number 5 to 18 and 23 to 30 in your 8 questions, in your 14 questions. 22 questions are there, yes. Okay, remaining questions we will discuss in the questions. There are doubt in the discuss panity. Then we will come to remaining questions. Okay, run the class. So 2 classes we will complete our continuity. Okay, all questions, even from outside also we can take some questions and exam questions. Yesterday I gave one question. That's a brilliant one. I think most of them wouldn't have done it. And I had a particular continuity question. Did you do that? Avantika, have you done this there?
Yes, sir.
Enna question, do you remember that? I'll tell you that. The question is this. For such an amazing one, this is the question for me. Yesterday's question. Let f of x be f of x equal to continuous at x equal to pi by 2. It's continuous. Find a and b. Find a and b, and f of x is given as 1 minus sine cube x by 3 cos square x. If x is less than pi by 2, so take down this question and try it now. It is a if x equal to pi by 2. It is b, but b into 1 minus sin x by pi minus 2x the whole square. If x is more than pi by 2, yes. See, this is a question mark. He has given that a pi by 2 is a continuous, so find a and b, a value and b value. Enna answer vanduma Avantika? Any idea?
R option panna, sir.
Oh, R option, romba easy question. Okay, very good girl. You are a very clever girl. I think nice, very nice. Right, pa. Thank you very much. We'll see tomorrow, ma. Please, all of you attend. Be regular, ma. Be regular. And Jay Aditya and who is that? Pavitra, right? Enna vishayam Pavitra ke yaar call pandrathu? Naane pandra. Okay, I'll take care. Right. Thank you, dears. All the best, ma. God bless you all. Take care. No hurry. You can do the homework. Please relax up. How much ever possible, that much you do it, ma. Okay? No hurry. Right. Thank you. Thank you.